woman, you get she get everything like you get all the mode. You see someone doing that way. Who is there? Watch your brand, lucky gate in the brain. Ah, okay, enter the AC repeller, right? Oh, okay. Queen or whatever, Queen. I will enter.
Okay.
Oh, enter, feel free. Oh. Wendy, you're welcome. Good afternoon. I beg, where are your things like your things?
I want to know, so I said to come to
Oh, okay.
But I'm not bringing my shoes.
Okay, then feel free, like you just check it, like it's not working. I don't know the reason why.
So let me know.
My mom says like that, so I don't know the reason why you feel free, like no.
Please, this one I need.
The what?
I need it.
Yeah.
I
don't know. You have to check it, like I was out to something so. Yeah, I want something for you before. Okay, so you check it. Have you identified the fault? Oh, home. Hey. Oh, home. Oh, home.
Are you okay?
I'm very okay. Hey. So. I'm so bad.
I'm not shocked. I'm ready.
Oh, home. Elizabeth,
We have to change it too because the pot is.
What?
We have to change it.
I have to change the AC.
Yes.
But then,
because it's not working at all.
you know, catch like 3 months ago. The brand new I go buy a shock set. So if they give me warranty, say if I take away no reach like 6 months, I can take come. So they will I'll go replace it because I buy no keep. You know, keep it. I bet check out what give me. If I will repair, now I'll repair.
I have brother.
Is it?
Brother.
So what will be the problem now?
Yeah, you have to return it.
Oh. Adam.
Yeah.
So how we do like see they open like that, the open way.
It's no restaurant.
Sure. Oh, okay. So I should office.
Hey, yeah, fine guy.
You just can repair. We jump like you just jump on my bed like that. Huh? What? I don't know if you send me a Jamai. You do as the repair system, send me a Jamai, or like what? Like you take a Jamai and watch my was like you can repair see where you can.
But one in the boss before but so I fall.
Hi.
So to say the band.
I'll go report it to your company, I swear.
Don't report it. Sit down, let's talk. What's the problem? Yeah, the better give it to you free. So, I hear you.
You will give me free. When I tell you something, you know me. Me, ask some girls the diet where they pay them now. So I'm to the do. Me, I be hookup boy. Me, I be hookup boy. Yeah. Me, if you talk me, if you diet me, me to go pay. Sure. If you say what? Sure. Now what's my persona? I will give me free. You know me say you go pay money. Oh da.
Why say you beat me?
Night, I think 800. If my customer, regular customer, I think 600. Try if you can say what? I hear some of your guys now. Yeah.
But I'm watching.
What about watch a cry? You can have you see him. If you can say what?
800.
You can say Chiboy.
I know we
Go for here. Walk up down. See him. Let me see him. That's just him say. My friend. Sure. You mean your voice now? Blah blah blah. Me better say blah blah blah. Blah me better we don't use blah. You enter. You come. Somebody died to where you carry your pant and take them before. Come back. I be the one chop you. You don't die to me.
I'm paying. What is?
You don't get money.
Free.
Come on, we'll chop you free. You come.
Hey, boss. If I'm guy,
it's repeller. It's a fire woman. You get she get everything. Like you get the mode. You see somebody doing the dance. I'm gonna spank you and go beat you.